So Fleet Pride just came by and they dropped off what I assume to be my brand new favorite toy. It is a ATD topside creeper. And basically it's kind of like a movable ladder with a platform on top that's padded, so you can kind of climb up the ladder and lay on the platform. And this sets up in 3 different heights. I think it's between, I want to say 48 to 64 inches, somewhere around there, but I think there's one in the middle. It's gonna be like 58 or something. Not exactly sure what the 3 heights are, but I think it's from 48 to 50, 48 to 60 something, I think. I don't remember. But anyway, I think the middle height's going to be perfect. So basically, I can pull it right over the top of the radiator support, and I can lay on it. Then that way I don't have to lay on the radiator support with my feet on a ladder. It will kind of be a ladder, but not really a ladder. So I won't have to use that ladder. I won't have to use that ladder, because that's basically what I do. Like, I'll put the truck here, then when I need to work on it, I'll have the hood open and I'll have the ladders in front of it, and I'll kind of walk up the ladder. I mean, this one ain't so bad because you got that flat platform on top, but that other one right there, that thing walks all over the place. Like, you move funny and it's like kicking down the road. And I don't really like it that much, but I'm vertically challenged, so it is what it is. But so let's cut this thing open. Let's see what we got. Huh. Looks like we're gonna need a 12mm wrench, an 8mm socket, a 6mm wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. 6mm wrench. I don't know if I got one that small. Look. Let's see what I'm gonna do about the wrench. So, gotta assemble the base, attach the casters, attach the steps section. And we'll attach angle adjustment keepers, attach base crossbar, attach chest pad, attach tool pouch, attach, no, I got it backwards, chest pad frame, then tool pouch, chest pad, and bumper pads. All right. we got 46.5. Here's 4 heights. At 52. $58. And we got 63. Kind of thought they'd be, when I looked at the measurements, I figured right in the middle of them would be perfect for the hood, so I'm probably gonna have to be a little high or a little low. We'll figure it out. Now I just need a truck to work on, and I'm sure I'll get one. It's just not too bad. So, it's kind of what it looks like. I think I adjust the heights with these ladders and pull the rod out and push it back in. It's kind of like one of those giant ladders or something. But I think it's pretty cool. It'll lock the wheel so it'll roll away. I wish regular creepers had something like that. I actually seen a creeper, a flat one you lay on, and it has a brake on it so it can hold you in place. I don't know how it works. I think it might be like a pad. It's got an arm on there. I think you flip the arm over, maybe it pushes the pad down and kind of keeps you from moving, because basically I move myself more than I loosen the bolt on those things. It gets kind of frustrating. There's a little pocket. So I think this is going to be pretty handy, just because, like I say, trying to work over the top of the engine, sitting on the radiator support and stuff. I mean, it starts kind of wearing into you. At least, if anything, I could sit on this too, or even just lean on it. It's a lot. I think it's a lot better than what I've been doing. So anyway, I'm sure you'll see this in some videos coming up. Don't know when, but I'm sure it'll be somewhere. Yeah. So anyway, hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching.